Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Welcome to our maths class. So today we are going to learn about a new chapter, that is fraction. Okay, what is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is part of whole. Okay. So here I will give an example. You can see a picture here. Priya and Raju divide one whole chocolates into two equal pieces. The two pieces are part of whole chocolate. So here just imagine this is a whole chocolate. Okay, this is a whole chocolates. Okay, you just imagine. Okay, and this divided into two equal parts. Divided into, this is one whole and two equal parts. Okay, so fraction is a part of a whole. Here one whole is divided into two equal parts and this is a fraction. Is it clear? Okay, so you can see some pictures here. Whole shapes are divided into two equal parts. Okay, so I will draw some shapes here. So here this is a whole, one whole. Okay, and we can divide it into two or four equal parts, like this is two equal parts. Two equal parts. Okay. Is it clear? So this is a part, a fraction. Okay, this is whole shape and it is divided into two equal parts. Next, a triangle and divided into two equal parts. Okay. Two equal parts. Is it clear? So this is a fraction. Fraction is a whole divided into a part of a whole. Fraction means a part of a whole. Okay. Here a whole is divided into two equal parts. So this is fraction. Okay. Is it clear? So next is parts of a collection. Parts of a collection. Okay. Next is parts of collection. So you can see some pictures here. Page number 46, you can see some pictures here. First one collection and two equal parts. Example, here I have some just okay. This is a one collection. One collection. Okay, this is one collection. And we can divide it into two equal parts, like okay, this is, we can divide it into two equal parts. Say So this is a one parts of this whole collection. Two equal parts of a whole collection. This is parts of collection. I will give you more example so you can understand well the concept of parts of collection. Okay. We have some okay. Okay, this is one collection. Now we can divide it into three equal parts. We can divide this collection into three equal parts. Okay, so here so one equal part, this is two equal parts and three equal parts. So one collection is divided into three equal parts. Okay. Three equal parts. So this is a part of collection. Next one. A collection of so this is a part of collection. Okay. We can divide it into four equal parts. Okay. One collection four equal parts. One collection, four equal parts. Okay, is it clear? So this is parts of collection. I think you had understood that concept. So page number 46, exercise 1, write the number of parts in which the collection is divided. Okay, you have to write the number of parts in which it is divided. So here first one, there are a collection of books, it is divided into four equal parts. Second one is a picture of a leaf, so it is divided into how many? Yes, three equal parts. Okay, so like that you have to complete the nine problems from your home. Okay, and this is parts of collection. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Our next one is 1/2. Our next topic is 1/2. Our next one is 1/2. Okay. So here so this is a 1/2. 1/2. 1/2 means it is equally divided into two and each part is 1/2. 1/2 we can represent it 1/2, 1 divided by 2. That means total 2 parts and each part is 1/2. Okay, each part is 1/2. 1/2 or 1/2. Okay. So here one whole is divided into two equal parts and each part is 1/2. Is it clear? I will give some example. This is 1/2. Okay? Is it clear? So 1/2 or 1/2. 1/2 means 1/2. This also 1/2. Okay. Is it clear? 1/2 or 1/2. Two equal parts and each part is 1/2. Okay. So here 1/2. Total 2 parts. Out of total 2 parts, one part is 1/2. Okay. So this is 1/2 or 1/2. Okay. Next is next is 1/3. You can represent it as 1/3 1/3. 1/3 or 1/3. Example, here a 1 whole part. Here 1 whole and it is divided into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. 1 and 2. And each part is 1/3. Here total 1. Total a whole part is equally divided into 3 equal. Equally divided into 3. That means a 1 whole is divided into 3 equal parts and that is 1/3 or 1/3. We can read as 1/3. Total 3 parts. Total 3 parts. Okay. So here 1/3. This is 1/3. Okay. 1/3. One part is shaded out of 3 parts. One part is shaded out of 3 parts. Okay. Is it clear? I will give you another example. Here one is divided into 3 equal parts and one part is shaded. One part is shaded. This is 1/3. One part out of 3 equal parts. One part out of 3 equal parts. Is it clear? Okay. So already learn about the 1/2 and 1/3 and next is our next one is 1/4. Our next one is 1/4. Okay. 1/4 also called quarter. Quarter. So 1/4, 1/4. Okay. So 1/4. 1/4. Also this is quarter. Okay, quarter. That means a whole is divided into 4 equal parts. A whole is divided into 4 equal parts. That means this is a 1 whole. A 1 whole and that is divided into 4 equal parts. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. A 1/4 means 1/4 or quarter and that means a 1 whole is divided into 4 equal parts. A 1 whole is divided into 4 equal parts. That means we can 1/4 we can represent it like this. Okay, and this is 1/4. A 1 part is shaded. A 1 part is shaded. Is it clear? Okay, very good. So here we have some examples like so this is 1/4, 1 by 4, 1/4 or 1 by 4. It's also called quarter. So here for number of equal parts is 4. Okay. Next is 3/4. Okay. Our next is 3/4. So here 3/4, 3/4, 3 by 4. Okay. So here 3/4 or 3/4. Okay. That means total how many equal parts? 4 equal parts are there. That means a one whole is divided into 4 equal parts. One whole divided into 4 equal parts. One whole is divided into 3 equal parts. Okay. And this is 3 by 4. 3 parts, 3 equal parts out of 4. Okay. I have some more example. And this is 3 by 4. Okay. 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts out of 4. Okay. And it is a whole divided into 4 equal parts. 3 by 4 means 3 parts out of 4. Okay. And this is 3. This is 3/4. Is it clear? So here we have some exercises. Page number 49, 50, 51. Okay. So first question is exercise 2, shade 1 by 2 of each figure. Shade 1 by 2 of each figure. Example. So here 1 by 2 of each figure means 2 equal parts and 1 part is shaded. Okay. And second one. Okay. 1 by 2 of figure. Next question is, there are different kinds of figures are there. They are equally divided into 2. So shade 1 by 2 of each figure means shade. A one part is shaded. Okay. So page number 49. The first session is shade 1 by 2 of each figure. 9 figures are there. Okay, is it clear? So there are 9 figures are there. you have to shade 1 by 2 of each figure. Okay. Okay, next is shade 1 by 3rd of each figure. Shade 1 by 3rd of each figure. So, we already complete the 1 by 2 of shade 1 by 2 of each figure. Here we have shade 1 by 3rd of each figure. So, the first figure is, okay, here a figure that is divided into 3 equal parts, and shade 1 by 3rd of each figure means shade 1 part, okay, shade 1 part. Okay, is it clear? Next is here okay, this is 1 by 3rd of each figure. So, there are page number 50 up to there are 9 figures are there, you have to complete from your home. Next 1 by 4 of each figure, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means, yes, here 1 by 4, one part is shaded out of 4 equal parts. One part is shaded out of 4 equal parts. Okay. So, page number 51, 9 figures are there. You have to complete from your home. The next is 3 by 4, like 1 by 2, 1 by 3rd and 1 by 4. You can also shade 3 by 4. That means, yes, 4 equal parts. Okay, 4 equal parts and shade 3 parts. Shade 3 parts. Shade 3 equal parts. Okay. So, you have to complete from your home. Okay. And your next one is page number 52, that is what fraction of each figure has been shaded. Here the figures are shaded and you have to write the fraction of that figure. Okay, write fraction, okay. Here picture is so here what is the fraction? Here total 2 parts and 1 part is shaded. So, 1 by 2. Here total parts. Okay. We write the total parts under the yes, the line, dividing line, and shaded part right above. Okay. Total part right below and shaded part right above, and some questions are there. Okay. How many parts shaded? 1 part is shaded. How many parts are there? Total equal parts? 3 equal parts are there. So, the fraction is 1 by 3. The fraction is 1 by 3. Okay. Sometimes your and this is, yes, 1 part is shaded out of 3. Okay. How many parts shaded? 3 part is shaded out of 4. Okay, it's simple. So, page number 52, you have to write the fraction, and 53 shade to show the fraction given below each figure. So here the fraction is given, you have to shade it, okay. So this is about our chapter, page number 53 you have to complete from your home. So this is about our chapter fraction. I think you had understood the concept well about the fraction, and this is the time to wind up our class, okay. Thank you so much.